So, if you want to use the Paperclip technology, you absolutely had to watch this video because I'm going to show you how to optimize the use of Paperclip, because Paperclip also consumes a huge number of tokens. You know that this intelligence or this open source agent orchestration system needs what we call an LLM. That means we need to connect it to Claude, to ChatGPT, or Gemini, or another LLM system, so that the system can function. Now, the major problem we are facing today is that this specific system, as you are about to see very clearly right here, let me show you, it will simply continue to consume a massive amount of your tokens. This happens even if you are not actively connected to the service and even if there is absolutely no action currently in progress. It just keeps running in the background. So, in this comprehensive video guide, I am going to show you exactly how to avoid accidentally using up all of your valuable credits on Claude and other similar AI platforms. So, I'll start by giving you a brief explanation to help you understand the source of this problem. Today, by utilizing the Paperclip platform, we can quite simply create multiple specialized agents, and these intelligent agents will diligently carry out various tasks for us. So, if I take a look right here, for example, at my own company and my specific organization, I can clearly see that I have a first agent who serves as the director, and then I have several other agents working directly for me. So, for me personally, whenever I launch a specific new task, for example, if I assign a complex task to create a detailed automated workflow, or perhaps a task to create a fully optimized and engaging blog post, and for all of that, the system will simply assign agents to do that work. But our Paperclip, as you will see, will ask for a budget. So it's normal, it asks for a budget if there is a task to execute. But the problem is that if there is no task, the system will continuously monitor the agents. And that's thanks to what we call the heartbeat. So if I come back here to Paperclip, here, for example, I will find that every time, practically every 30 minutes, and sometimes it even goes up to every 15 minutes. Here, it is checking the heartbeat. The heartbeat, quite simply, is a file that actually shows the progress of the project, provides information about the environment, and indicates whether the objective has been achieved or not. So as a result, the agents are constantly trying to execute what we call the heartbeat, and practically every 15 minutes or every 30 minutes. And so, the solution I'm giving you in relation to this video is that here you simply click down at the bottom left and you'll actually find right here the heartbeat. So, when I click on this option, if, for example, you haven't assigned a task for the agent or the manager you've written in Paperclip, it won't execute it. It doesn't need to execute it. When you look here, for example, right here, it's basically executing it every 3,600 seconds. And so as a result, that's a lot. And so for me, I don't need it to do all those checks. So what I can do is either click here to completely disable all these tasks, or I can simply choose not to disable everything, but go into the details and disable just one of these agents. So the SEO, at the very least, I can keep it. But for example, if I know that for me, creating content on LinkedIn isn't all the time. There are times when I don't have actions or objectives. With that, you shouldn't let the system check and consume your tokens, because as you can see here, each time it will use them up. And so my problem afterwards, look here, I have no more balance. So as a result, I have to step in to fix this. All right, here we go. I can come back here. I can just deactivate one, as you can see here. So it switches to off mode, or I can click here to deactivate everything. There you go. So I only activate it if I have tasks in progress and I'm running them with Paperclip. It's a small detail, but it costs. Very, very, very expensive. It will keep consuming as long as it's on. So this is actually the first solution I recommend you do if you're going to start with Paperclip. Paperclip, because a lot of beginners actually don't know about this feature. And they don't know that the heartbeat actually consumes a lot of tokens, especially if I have it running. It's a test, so as a result, here we have almost 5 agents, but imagine if you had 50. And sometimes you actually install skills and plugins that also consume resources, because just a single workflow, it will reduce, summarize, and check the environment. That's a lot of money. So another solution. So what I actually do is I installed Paperclip on HostingGirl, and now I have direct access to this server. So for me, if for example, I'm not working with my Paperclip agents and I don't have any tasks, I don't actually have any assets, or I don't have any jobs that I'm running, just to have peace of mind, I can come here and click on stop. So when I click on stop, what will happen is quite simple. Paperclip will go into standby mode and it will sleep, let's say, and I can just wake it up whenever I need it. And so as a result, even the consumption of other credits that I have on my server, it won't use them. And there you go. So that's simply a system for stopping it. That's all. This is a very quick video that actually shows you the importance of Paperclip and the heartbeat. So if you're interested, we could do a little live session together with Paperclip, and I could have a discussion with you. You could give me your questions, your situations, or still within the context of a business that we're trying to run and create. Actually, 10 agents, in fact, with intelligence. Look here, of course, it has switched to sleep mode. So that's completely normal. It's turned off, it won't consume anything. So go ahead and write to me in the comments. Here, Paperclip Live. I will do a live session especially for my community, and we'll do a live for an hour or an hour and a half. And I will answer everyone, all your questions, and together we'll create an agent that will perform tasks and will go into detail with Paperclip with interaction, so with everyone in the live if there are many of you. Actually, there you go. I also think we'll have 100 people. I promise you that I will do the Paperclip live, so I'll see you very soon.